Welcome to 8th class Minerals and Mining. Minerals and Mining. And here you can see three questions. What are minerals? Do you know from where do we get them? And do you know from where we generate petrol, diesel and kerosene? By end of this chapter, you will be getting this answer, children. Now, let us see the concepts covered in this lesson. So we are having minerals, different types of minerals, and what are the mineral sources of Telangana and what are the mining activities, the open cast mining, the underground mining. And we are going to visit Singareni coal mine, which is located in Telangana. Now, let us see. Anything which are obtained naturally from under the earth is called a mineral. Now, if you look at around our house, you are finding the house is built with bricks, cement, sand, and we are have using some metals like iron, copper, lead, and we also use some fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene. So we all are getting this from the ground. So minerals are available to us under the earth and we are digging and removing them and we are using them. So here we are having types of minerals. So minerals are divided into three types: metallic, non-metallic and energy minerals. Again, metallic is divided into three: ferrous, non-ferrous, precious. Ferrous, it contains iron. Example, iron, manganese, nickel. Non-ferrous, it does not contain iron in it. Example, copper, lead, tin, bauxite. And your precious metals are gold, silver. And when we are coming to non-metallic, example it is mica, salt, potassium, limestone, sandstone. And energy resources are those by using them we get energy. Example coal, petroleum, natural gases. Again, we divide the minerals into renewable and non-renewable resources. And renewable resources are those resources which we can generate it. For example, wood. Now I need wood, so I'm cutting a tree. Again, I will plant a tree after some years. Again, I will get wood. So I am able to regenerate it. After using it also, you can regenerate. Example, solar energy. Using solar energy, we can produce energy and we can use it. Again, the next day also you can generate it. In the same way, wind energy. And even you are getting here geothermal energy. So the energies which can be generated again and again, they come under renewable energy. And non-renewable energies are those energies which we cannot regenerate. Once we are used, it's finished. Again, we cannot create it. Example, if I'm using coal and producing electricity, I have used coal. So again, I cannot regenerate coal. If you take an example, in India, we had Kolar gold mines. And here, gold was available. So what we started mining at a particular point of time, now we are not finding gold. So the coal mine is finished, is closed. So if we are using it, overusing it, one fine day, this mineral will be exhausted because we cannot regenerate them. Now let us see some minerals and uses. Iron ore is used to make steel, mica in electrical and electronic industries, limestone, iron and steel, soda ash, chemical, sugar. Granite is cutting and polishing industries and magnesium in some chemical glass industries. So let us come and see the mineral resources of Telangana. Telangana state is a house of various minerals, especially coal, iron ore, limestone, manganese, clay, black and color, granite, marble. So children, here you can find our state Telangana and the districts, and you can find the minerals. So you can clearly locate it in which district you can find iron ore, limestone, mica, granite, coal. So it is an activity and you can find out and you can complete the table by looking at the map. Now let us see the mineral resources of Telangana. Here some minerals are there and in where do we find in which districts are here. Iron ore you're finding in Bayaram Reserve Forest, Mahbubabad, Nalgonda, Vikarabad. Tan brown granite in Karimnagar district. Tandur blue limestone in Rangareddy district. Uranium in Nalgonda district. Coal, Karimnagar, Adilabad and Warangal districts. Now, I told you we find minerals under the ground. So, how do we remove them? How do we extract them? We extract them by mining. So, what is mining means? Removing the minerals can be extracted out for the use by human through a process of mining or digging the earth. So, by digging the earth, we are bringing the minerals which are present under the ground and we are using them. And here we are having two types of mining. One is open cast mining and another one is underground mining. Open cast mining, we just make a large pit and keep extracting the minerals. Here, the minerals are not very deep. In this, we use open cast mining. And another one is underground mining. Now we can build underground tunnels to mine minerals that lie very deep. Or as we dig a bore well. In the same way, we can drill and we can bring out the gases and the petroleum, and even from the sea also we can get the gas and the petroleum. But most of the mining process are resulting in disturbing the surface area. We are just cutting down the forest, destroying the fields and habitations. So there is lot of damage is done. And mining it also need a large amount of water to wash the minerals. So it is as a result, it is polluting the nearby rivers and water sources. And on the other side, mining is creating a large number of employment. So many people are depending upon mining and they are building new townships around it. And if you take in India, nearly 10 lakh people in India and over 1 lakh people in Telangana, they are depending upon mining and it is giving them employment. So, to whom do the minerals belong? I told you minerals are under the ground. So, these minerals belong to whom? These minerals, they generally belong to all the people who are living in the country. But we cannot use, everyone cannot go and use individually. So, these minerals are handed over to the government and the government will use the minerals keeping in the mind the interest of the people. And at the time of independence, lot of these mining activities, it was done by Britishers, done by private owners and companies. Okay, after certain years, in the year 1970, the government has took up the mining and it has started operating mining and they started selling the minerals to various factories and it started getting lot of money and in this way it was able to use the money for the development of the country. But as years passed, the government was not able to bring in new and more sophisticated technology that is required for mining. Okay, so what happened? Mining activities, it came to a stagnation. So a new national mineral policy was announced in 1992, and the government it has allowed the private companies to lease mines and operate them. In this way, the government has encouraged, and many people they came forward and they started doing mining, and we started getting income, and they started using new technology. And there is a boom in mining during the last 25 years, and there is a major increase in mining. Now, let us go to Singareni coal mine. And do you know where it is located? It is located in Telangana in the four districts. So it is operating at the four districts: Bhadradi, Warangal, Peddapalli, Jaishankar district. And it was started by the Britishers in the year 1886. And afterwards it was purchased by the Nizams of Hyderabad in 1920. Presently, the central and the state government both are operating it, and both are having an equal share. And 50 open cast minings are done, and 35 underground minings are done, and nearly 65,000 people are working according to 2015.